Complex tax laws have made compliance a nightmare for taxpayers and professionals, leading to various queries and search for clarifications on various issues. To help the professionals, CCH has published a compendium of issues on income tax and wealth tax. This book is regarded as one of the most referred and awaited book among the tax and other professionals. Let's have one-to-one interaction with authors of this book, Dr. Girish Ahuja and Dr. Ravi Gupta. First, I'll address Dr. Ahuja. So, what prompted you to bring out a compendium of issues on income tax and wealth tax?
You know, I've been traveling length and breadth of the country and delivering lectures at various firms, particularly to the chartered accountants. And they have been asking me many queries when relating to income tax and wealth tax. And they are not able to find out any answer in the voluminous books which are available. Because when you're looking for any commentary, you know, it's running into 12 volumes, 13 volumes, 8 volumes, and they are not able to get the right answer there. So they wanted a book where their specific issues could be answered and they could refer to the cases thereafter, if at all the need arises, and refer to the commentaries. So therefore we felt that there is a requirement of writing a book where specific issues may be covered and they can be answered, so that if at all they have to read the cases at length, they can refer to the case laws wherever it is available.
So this is your third edition of the book, and you've been regularly bringing out a new edition every year. Is it really necessary to have a new edition each year?
You know, revenue laws are bound to change, and there are so many changes which are brought in income tax, and lately you will find the changes are brought in through the notifications also. Yes. And you have, you know, a ritual of annual budget where the finance act is brought. So all those amendments are supposed to be brought in. And if it is not a latest version, nobody will be interested in going through their book. So you need to, and then there are so many cases which are decided by the court every day. Those cases are also supposed to be incorporated. If I don't bring out an edition and the case has been brought, has been declared by the court, or some case has been decided by the court, what really happens at that particular time, the case may be against a decision which has already been taken place. So obviously, if the latest judgment is not there, it will be of no use. So it is required that we should have latest edition of everything. I've been traveling all over India to deliver lectures. You know, you meet and interact with the chartered accountants, the lawyers, advocates, the other persons in the audience. So they raise their queries, and they are their personal queries. So those personal queries have been incorporated in the books. And for chartered accountants, they will be facing queries for the various clients. So those queries are raised by them, and then we answer those queries there and then. So those queries have been specifically included in these books. Besides, of course, the normal issues which we have raised based on the law. But practical approach has been given to this, because these are all the practical queries which have been raised by the audience or the chartered accountants or the lawyers or advocates.
Okay. Question for you, Dr. Gupta. How do you manage to update the book when there are so many changes and new case laws come up every day also?
Well, as Dr. Ahuja just mentioned to you, that tax laws are changing every day, and every day there are new case laws, new notifications, new circulars. We have to keep abreast with all those changes, all those developments. We keep ourselves abreast through various journals, magazines that are in circulation. Plus, we also have to look up various sites which are available on the net. And much information we get from our readers also. We get their feedbacks, we get their queries. So on the basis of that, we keep revising the book. It's a constant, it's a regular updation work. Not that we do it once in a year. Every day, in fact, we have to keep updating it.
So my next question is, what are the unique features of this book that differentiates it from other books available in the market?
Well, the most distinguishing feature is the user-friendliness. It is a very user-friendly book. If you have to look up a query and you start searching for it in a commentary that is available, As sir just said, there are commentaries available in 12 volumes and 15 volumes. It is very difficult for any person to search for an answer in those voluminous books. In our book, he just has to go through the index, find the suitable query, and he has a ready-made solution there. And of course, it is, as we just mentioned, it is the most updated book. The latest case laws, latest circulars, you'll be able to find in the book itself.
So any message which you want to give to our readers?
The message for them is clearly that they have to keep up themselves updated. And the most important message is that they must develop a habit of reading and keep themselves updated. That can be through various sources, depending upon whether they want to attend seminars, they want to read the books, they want to read various journals, in whatever manner they want to. But they have to have an analytical mind, and they must keep themselves updated with the latest developments in the field of tax. That is the clear message to all the professionals.